welcome back my freestyle nation, welcome back. Now guys, today we're back with the next video today, but first I want to say a big thank you to all my viewers and my subscribers, guys. I really appreciate y'all. If you haven't yet subscribed, guys, just feel free to come over, hit the subscription button and join the movement. Now today we're back in the kitchen. As I always said, eat what you cook and cook what you eat. Now today we're going throwback. I'm gonna say throwback. We talk about some real authentic food. We're talking about some stew peas with some pigtail in it. But a lot of you don't eat the pork, but trust me, yo, stew peas without pigtail is no stew peas. So guys, just stick and stay and just watch me. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So this is the recipe for the stew peas. I have my red peas right here: scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, coconut milk, pimento grain, all-purpose seasoning, a chicken noodle right here, and of course right over here is my pigtail. So guys, as you know, if you should buy the pigtail in the supermarket, what you will get is just some pigtail from out of the salt water, right? Okay, so to get the real flavor to your stew peas, what you do, you buy the pigtail from like a day before and you season it up with your scotch, barnet, pepper, your scallion, your thyme, your pimento. You know what I mean? You put some salt on it and you just leave it overnight, make it well marinated. So you know, so when you start to cook your stew peas, you know you get the real flavor from your meat. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, since this is extremely salt, I'm gonna cook it in a separate pot for probably like about 15 minutes, and then what I'm gonna do is take it from that pot and add it to the pot with the peas. So guys, as I go along, you will see what I'm doing, so just keep on watching. As I mentioned before, right, I'll be cooking the peas and the pigtail in separate pot. So the pigtail is over here and the peas is over here. So as soon as some of the salt is boiled from the pigtail, I will take it from this pot and put it in this pot. So after cooking for about 15 minutes, I could get some of the salt out of it. I will now transfer the pigtail from this pot to the peas pot. So I will now go ahead and add the coconut milk. I'm using 2 tins of coconut milk. So I add the coconut milk and I'm going to stir. I'm going to cover it, leave it to cook. Yes, so freestyle, I will now put my scallion in. Crush the scallion, put it in. I'll put in some thyme, scotch barnet, then I have a couple pieces of sweet pepper, then I will get some all-purpose seasoning, not much. A small amount of all-purpose seasoning. And then if you know you can't go stew peas and have some spinners in it, I'll make some spinners and put in it. First, let me stir it before. Yeah, so you know, so the spinners them off in the stew peas. Fast and quick. The mean. Just freestyle, you can smell the scallion, the thyme, scotch bonnet, the pimento, everything just blend in. Now I mean the coconut milk. Trust me. Yeah, freestyle. So this is my stew peas. Trust me. It smells so good. Stew peas, pigtail. Right over here, we have some white rice to go with it. Trust me guys, the taste of the pigtail is just amazing. Put it in your mouth and just melt away your mouth. Now this is my stew peas. Stew peas with pigtail along with some white rice. Don't get no better than this. Nice and delicious, guys. Trust me. I wish I could share with y'all, but hey. Yes, freestyle. So this is it. White rice and stew peas. This is my Sunday special for today. I'm about to have a feast. Now guys, as always, remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please, I'm begging you, hit the subscription button and join the movement. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Freestyle movement.